What's going on, everyone? I am Nathen Mixon, your fitness coach, and if you are a Mixonite, you probably clicked it because you support this channel, but if you haven't, you clicked it because you are trying to accomplish your first pull-up. If you watch this full video, you will have the tips and tricks, routines, all that jazz to get the job done so you can do pull-ups at any bar. Now, this video, along with my past and also my future videos, may bring a lot of value to you, so make sure you turn on your push notifications and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and smash the like button, and let's learn how to complete our first pull-up. The pull-ups are back exercises that provides better posture for you by strengthening your forearms and also your shoulders. The pull-ups are the main ingredients of the exercise that builds up the latissimus dorsi and also the trapezius muscles, making it an excellent compound movement that will encourage weight loss and help you fill out your outfits. There are bars everywhere, and if you can find one to support your weight, you will be repping them out in no time, considering the following. You will have to lose weight. Pull-ups are a body workout. If you weigh a lot, you're going to have to lift a lot. Workouts are great, but you can't outwork a bad diet, so eat at a caloric deficit to lighten up that load. Some people can jump right into a pull-up, not even knowing they can do it. It looks like fun, but it's not always that easy depending on what you are doing. For most of us, we have to take steps, and we can break this down into 4 weeks. In the first week, the first step will be to do an inverted bar row. Find a bar that can support your weight and start off high. The closer your feet are under the bar, the easier it will be. Try 5 reps. As you get stronger, keep your feet further away from the bar, maintaining a strong posture. Focus on keeping your core engaged with your body in a straight line. Pull yourself to the bar and hold for a second, exhaling and squeezing your shoulder blades together. Form is everything, so take your sweet time. Once you master 5 reps at each and every angle, it's going to be time for the assisted pull-ups in week 2. Bands are an excellent way to assist yourself if you have no one there to help push you up. I'm using a 30 to 60 pound band, so technically I've lost 30 to 60 pounds instantly using this band to assist me. The more bands you have, the easier it will be. Check the link in the description below if you want to use any of the products I'm using in this video right now. Knock out 3 sets of 10 reps, allowing yourself to rest 2 to 3 minutes between those sets for the best results. Pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar. Lower yourself slowly, maintaining a good posture. Keep the core tight and your arms a little more at the shoulder width apart. When performing a pull-up, the palms of your hands should always face away from you. In week 3, you're going to be doing a jump pull-up. There will be no bands and no angles with this routine. Now, with your hands a little more than shoulder width apart, assist yourself by jumping into the pull-up and slowly lowering yourself to the ground. Repeat this action for 8 reps in 4 sets. Again, rest for 2 to 3 minutes before the next set. In week 4, you're going to be testing your might. The previous training conducted, if done correctly, will help you achieve this milestone. A couple things to focus on is your shoulder posture. Anytime you touch the bar, it should be engaged. This will mitigate injury in the future. Starting off with a dead hang will develop bad posture, making the pull-up that much harder. Go for your first rep. If you get it, you got it. And congratulations, now do 2. If you did not get your first pull-up, revert back to week 1 through 3. Rest is very important, so make sure you give yourself a break in between those days. For example, if you're going to perform these pull-up routines, make sure you do it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Give yourself enough time to rest and recover for the next week, coming back a little bit stronger. Once you've mastered the pull-up, you may find yourself getting a lot more creative, doing different types of pull-ups in that process, but always be safe, so make sure you stretch properly, and also make sure you do a little bit of research, or ask me, maybe I can help you out with that process. Anyway, if this video brought you value and you're going to try out some pull-ups, make sure you comment down below, let me know how's it going. If you can already do pull-ups, list down below how many can you do. Anyway, I am Nathen Mixon. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, and I'll catch you later, or I'll see you at the bar. Peace. All right, go for it. Do your video. Nice. All right. Looking good. All right. You should be my workout partner right here. Good job.